Dr. Rose here with Natural Transplants. We're following up with Jeff at his 1 year, almost unrecognizable. Wow. All right, how's it going, Jeff?
Doing great. It's been a great year. As you can see, the results have been fantastic, and I was excited to see, month after month, the hair continue to come in, and this is where I'm at the 1 year mark. So very excited.
Amazing. Let's look at all these views, okay? Can you turn to the side and let's hold it? Great. Come back towards me. Okay, look just a little bit down. Good. Perfect. And we can see the tip of the iceberg there where we completed the surgery. All right, let's see the other side. Amazing. Okay, back towards me. Wow. So how's it been? How's life with hair? What have friends, family, what's everyone been saying?
Everyone was, ecstatic about the progress. That unrecognizable, like you said, and it's good for me. And it's good to have hair back, and it's really good, and people really like my results.
Awesome. And it looks very natural, fits your face, and typically we get about 30 to 40% of the thickness of the sides. You had literally zero. So
right.
I'm really happy about that aspect of it. It actually almost looks like it matches your sides, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. All right, so this looks amazing. Of course, we could potentially do another surgery to fill it in, but I think you said you're gonna enjoy life with hair for a little bit before you jump back in there, right?
Right, yeah. I look forward in the future coming back and get the rest of it done.
Awesome. How was your surgery day experience?
Oh, fantastic. It was first class, coming in from the start to the finish. Made you very comfortable, fed me really well, kept me hydrated, kept me with snacks. It was awesome. You never know what to expect coming into something new like that, but you guys have made it a great experience for me, and excited to come back in the future for the second surgery.
Amazing. Awesome. Thank you so much for sharing your results, and wow, you really do look like it's a new lease on life for you, I bet.
Yeah, it's great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.